Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Nice wintry day here in Ontario, Canada. This is the donor vehicle for our custom 53 Ford F100 custom build. So this is the police pursuit vehicle, the 2009 Crown Victoria. So basically what we're going to do is we took a whole bunch of photos to share with you how we got to this stage. So we'll just cut away now. We'll show you how we got to this point, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you've seen the photos, obviously we were very careful disassembling the car because we're going to try and sell some of the components that we can. By lifting the body off the way we did, we unbolted everything correctly. So the whole front clip, you saw the grille, the fenders, and so on. And then to make it easier with our crane, or easier on our crane because of the weight of the body, we removed all 4 doors. They're not hurt at all either. And then there's still some components that we're going to be removing from it. We have this, the portable spotlight, which is a nice working piece we'll be able to use for something. We may save the seats. We just don't want to ruin the car. We try to use as much as we can. But obviously the main thing we wanted was the complete frame, the rear diff, the braking system, suspension, engine, transmission, drive shaft, so basically the whole drive line. And you can see as we come along the front here, we still have the brake booster on. We're going to remove the booster. We're probably going to remove the pedals also, because we're probably going to need to make some different brackets for the F100 truck. So we just want to make sure, because there's still a lot of usable parts, and there's many Crown Vics and Crown Victorias on the road. So by not hurting any of the parts, the things like the hood, fenders, rad support, those are all items that someone else will be able to use. And we're happy because we get to save our client money by using most of the frame, I'm hoping, and the drive line. So the 4.6 fuel-injected engine, the heavy-duty automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, all that neat stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to use as much of that on that project truck as we can. So this is the other side of the 53 Ford F100 custom build. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.